I got this from Colourpop. It's the pink collection. And I've been wanting to try it and open it, but I wanted to do it on camera, so here we go. I don't care no more. I don't care about people making fun of me or whatever. I just don't care anymore. I have to do this for me and my mental health. And I like makeup. And if this is what's going to help me be motivated, then this is what I'm going to do. Anyways, people are going to make fun of me and talk about me no matter what, right? So, here we go. I got, okay, the Super Shock Pink Aura Super Shock Highlighter. Pearlized, it says, so it's got pearls in it. So pretty. So pretty. I've been wanting to play with this too. West Beach. That's a pretty color. Oh, I got a keychain. Cute. Got both the blushes because I couldn't help myself. One's like shimmery and one's matte. I didn't get the full collection because I only wanted the blushes and then that bronzer and this one Super Shock. And then I got the palette. And I know they just did a peachy one too. But I just had to have the pink one. So there it is. So pretty. So let's start putting it on. It's cute. It's a mirror. I'm going to put on my all-time favorite skin tint. And it's quick and easy. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Or I might just speed this up or put music over it. Whatever. But like I said, makeup is my escape. Or I didn't say that. But makeup is my escape. So I have lots of it. And I'm going to plan on doing a declutter too. Because I have tons from, years ago, that need to get gone. So, alright, let me wash my hands. Let's do this. Do the eyebrow. Got a mirror. It's dirty. Don't judge me. Or judge me if you want to. That's on you. Alright, my lids are prepped. Blanked out. Let's take this color up here. Put that in my crease. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Right here. I like this little brush. The Sephora collection brush. Love it. I put it right above my actual crease. So like in my socket. Alright. So I took some up here. I just went back and forth a little bit. Okay, let's see. Kind of just stamp it in there first. And then I go kind of circles. I mean, these blend so easy. So, I mean, it literally takes 2 seconds. Okay. Take it out a little bit. I don't know. My eyes kind of downturned, so to work with what I've got. I'm going to take the brown now. This brown. On this little Refer 13 brush. Let's see. I'm gonna put it on the outside. Literally like the outside of my eye. And kind of go up. Take it up a little bit. Let me see. Anyways, and then pull it forward in the socket a little bit. It's pretty. Pretty. Do this eye. Okay. Just gonna keep blending it. I'm going to take a clean brush. Try to maybe pull it out a little bit up here. But just really blend it all together. That looks blended to me. Clean that up a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to put the shimmer on. This one in the middle is like a duochrome, or it's got like gold reflex. But so it's like pink right there, but I see gold. If I can turn it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but anyways, there's that. That's it. That's cute, but I like. I think this one has like blue shifts in it. I think. Let's do this one. Oh yeah. You'll see that? I'm going to take a brush, another rougher brush. I'm going to kind of blend it out, like smooth it out. Let's see. All the way up. I like putting it up. Let's see. Yeah, I like putting it up in the socket. Okay. Now, I'm going to take my crease brush, kind of go over the edges. I tap a lot because I have loose eyelids. I'm almost 40. If you couldn't tell. I can't believe it. Like, I just can't believe it. I still feel like I'm 25, 30. Let's put these lashes on. I forgot I bought this too. I'm going to try one on one cheek and one on the other. That's what we're going to do. Let's do a little concealer. So, right here. Let's do the bronzer first. I think this is West Beach again. From Colourpop. I'm going to put it on my hand. Blend it out. Oh, it's so pretty. Pretty. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. Blush. That's such a pretty pink, like a doll. And then there's this one's a shimmery one. Prettiest pink. I don't care. Let's do it. Let's do. I'm still going to put it on my hand. That's pretty vibrant. Let's see if it's scary or not. Okay. Blends out good. All right. It's so pretty. Let's do this side. And I put it up and I put it under right here. I just like the higher up, the more youthful you look, I think. You go down towards your mouth and stuff, especially with blush, drags your face down to me. So, let's see. How pretty. Yeah. Just pretty pigmented. Let's do the elf on the other side. I'm going to take an old foundation brush. Kind of go around. Just keep blending it out. But it looks good. I think looks good. Let's do the elf. Let's do this. Okay. Yeah, see? Pretty much the same, huh? That's a little brighter, I think. I think they both look good. They both kind of dried. Well, they look matte. They look blurring. Both of them do. Let me know which side you like better. Okay, let's try this on. I have enough blush, I know, but it's like a highlighter blush. It's a highlighter, but I like to use it as like blush toppers. It's pretty glittery, so. I'll have to try that separately one day. I wanted something a little pinker. Mm. How's it look? Straighten my hair a little more. Um, anyways, doing this to get up and motivate myself, and I'm gonna try to do this every day. Get up and do my makeup, and eventually, I'm so overwhelmed by all my stuff. Eventually, I want to declutter everything. Like if I showed y'all, like it's a hot mess. Like there's so much more. So what I was saying in this clip right here, I don't know what happened to the audio, but I was just saying that I have a lot to declutter. I want to take y'all through there and do it with y'all and let you see what all I have, because I have lots of products from like 10 years ago. Anyways, I just wanted to know if y'all be interested in that. If you would, leave a comment down below. If you like this video, leave me another comment, like, subscribe, do all the things, and just, yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I would love to continue doing these videos. See you later. Love you.